What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the videos and welcome back to the wide body episodes. So you guys know we started welding and grinding the rear fenders. Today we're gonna continue that. I'm heading over to Gabby's right now. I'm bringing my headphones this time because I've been using these as my earplugs. Kill the sound from the grinder. It's really good to wear earplugs. Last video, my ears were absolutely ringing. After we finished up for the day, my ears continued. They felt numb for the rest of the day. So today I got my Beats. What? Say that again?
You need to call Papa G.
I can't hear you.
Backup skills. You ready to see this?
I brought my headphones this time.
Sweet. There you go.
What?
Get right to it.
Yeah, you started getting set up. I'm gonna upload my YouTube video real fast over here. We are actually going to pick up the video and finish it here. Gabby ended up finishing the welds on my other fender, so all it's left is for me to grind it and prime it and seal it. First things first, yesterday was my birthday and I just wanted to say thank you guys all for the birthday wishes. Thank you guys so much for that. My neighbor actually brought me a bag of these and I've been eating them all. Because I love chocolate. Chocolate is like my favorite. It's like a big ball too. And there's like chocolate in the inside. Friggin' amazing. Oh my gosh. Those are amazing. So let me dive in and show you guys some progress I've made. Check this out. We currently have this back panel all tack welded together, as well as this corner piece. Like I told you guys, the metal was so thin that it was extremely hard to lay a tack right here. So I just had Gabby do her best on sealing this corner, sealing this corner, this corner, and this corner. And then I was going to just caulk the rest down in place and fully seal this. With the whole wide body and cutting everything, I really want to make sure that I have it 100% sealed, because that's just something that's extremely important and it's going to drive me nuts if I know it's not sealed 100%. So that's something we can work on the process of. It's going to drive me nuts if I know it's not sealed 100%. So that's something we can work on the process of the kit getting, and I just stuck my fingers in primer. Look at that. Yep. That was dope. This is the primer I used. It's a clean metal primer, so it's working really well. Definitely has the texture of primer. Another thing I wanted to mention is I totally welded the car without disconnecting the negative side of the battery. I had a lot of you guys comment that, and I definitely welded it with the battery still connected, so hopefully my ECU is fine. The car has started fine. I've had absolutely no problems, but that is still very scary, and I'm glad you guys said that, so I can further say, do not weld on your car unless you disconnect the battery, or else you will fry your ECU. That's very bad. You do not want to do that, and I'm super blessed that it did not happen. I think what kind of got me away from it was the batteries in the front. We were welding on the back, and we weren't necessarily welding. It's more of a tack weld, so it's a quick little tss, but I'm sure that's all it takes to mess it up. So just be careful, guys. Thank you guys for pointing that out. I definitely could have just screwed up my car, and I didn't, so we good. I'm gonna get this all ground down, looking pretty, prime it, seal it, and then boys, we will be pretty much ready to go on getting the kit painted. Everything's gonna be ready after that. The reason I left the front pieces on and I took the back pieces off, I left the front pieces on just because, as you can see right here, I totally spaced and forgot to do this rivet. So I'm gonna have to do that with some modification to where I have it cut, because it is not sitting flush. Also, my canards, I need to get my canards on, and I need to adjust where they actually fit perfect, and I can't believe it happened like that. But I do want to modify this piece just a little bit, and then we'll sand the whole kit, make it smooth. It is a little rough on this piece for some reason. This piece is very smooth. Get it ready for paint, and then the kit will be officially ready to be painted, color matched, the same Subaru blue as my car. And boys, we'll just keep moving forward with this. Oh, I decided I'm actually gonna play music in these while I grind. And oh my gosh, this song's smacking right now. It's some Nav. My wallet costs more than what I used to have in it. Hey. Forgot you guys can't hear the music, but this is lit. You already know I'm going off right now. D&M boy, I custom made this. It looks like shit. There's only a few left. Drippin' Mods long sleeve tees. Be sure to cop. Be careful, because they're going fast. Let's go. Okay, before we get started, I really need to spit one more fact about this song. Okay, never mind. Lil Sky started playing Lettuce Sandwich. Oh my gosh. First, I gotta listen to this. Let's start grinding, boys. Chris, dancing, sink your shit Titanic. You get me with the rock star, with fast life and get high. So get up like a raisin. I just grounded off all the tabs here. It's what it kind of looks like. I'm gonna switch the wheel to a grinding wheel. Oh my gosh. Am I yelling? I didn't even realize if I was yelling or not. Headphones were still going, but I have a grinding wheel somewhere. Where did it go? It's playing games with me, bro. What the? I found it in here. That's kind of cool. Oh, someone's calling me. Of course. Yo. What's up, Lil Bean? So we're changing over to the grinding wheel, and whenever you're changing a blade, you always want to disconnect the cable so you don't die, okay? Okay, it's time to start grinding. Let's go! I tap the camera, but I was kind of scared to do it with this. Okay, next scene. Okay guys, I have the fender all ground down now, so now I'm gonna take the primer. Basically, I kind of just block it off and spray, make sure I'm coating all of the exposed metal. So let me go ahead and spray this, including these spots right here. Okay, now that I got the border sprayed while that's drying, I think I'm gonna run down to Lowe's and actually grab a clear coat. But I just barely thought about actually using a clear coat or a final coat or a top coat. So I'm gonna run down to the store and I'm actually gonna grab one of those for this since it is now done. Smooth it out with your finger. Preferably wear gloves, but I use gloves in the beginning and then I'll do a final little smear through with my fingers, because once you get it on your fingers you can't get it off. But you know, let's go. In the meantime, waiting to go get a clear coat for the cylinder, I went ahead and I just hurry and put the rivet in for this spot right here, since we did forget, but now we fully got the rivet in there. So this front fender is totally done. Next thing, I think we're gonna work on the canards here. Other than that, this one is absolutely stripped out, so I have what I'm gonna do for that, but we're not gonna wanna mess with this one until the kit is actually all painted and ready to go, because then when I fully install it, that's when we'll do that. Other than that, guys, let's mess with the canards. Grab a clear coat for the back, and I think our kit will be ready for paint. Oh look, there's one dandelion in my grass, and I just picked it. That's pretty dope. You guys are not going to believe this. The canard fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, check this out. As you can see, I have this bolt in, I have this bolt in, and I have this bolt in, and it fits in the same holes perfectly. I don't know if you can see that, but that fitment, oh my gosh. Look at that. I can't even believe it. It fits perfect. No modification needed, honestly. Dang, that canard is gonna be fresh with the kit though. That's all I know. Let's make sure this side fits just as good. Oh my gosh, guys, surely enough. Both canards fit just as good as one another. Guys, what is left? I gotta think real fast, because pretty much the car's ready to go. This side's looking good. This side's looking good. Yo, guys, oh shoot. I just ran over my camera. Oh, bros, I just ran over my camera and I just broke the heck out of it. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised it is still working. Oh gosh, I gotta buy a new lens now for sure. That thing is destroyed. I just ran over my camera. I just ran. What the fuck? We are heading back to the hardware store once again. I don't know why, I spent so much time there. I cannot believe I ran over my camera. I just bought a whole nother lens, so it should be here within a week. But what the freak, dude? I told you guys, my camera goes through a lot. Hold on, quick boost. This is so fun. I freaking love it. I just love bropping my Subaru. It's seriously an addiction. I mean, I've had the addiction for like 3 years now, but you know, it's just getting more and more aggressive. Here we go. Everyone around me is probably like, oh my gosh, what is this dude doing? I really need to clean my car. It is very bad. I really need to clean my car, guys. It is super bad, and oh my god, this place is packed. Holy sh**. And I don't know what is going on with this lens. It's bright, it's not bright, it is bright, it isn't bright. Anyways, it has been dirty ever since we've started the body kit. I haven't washed it since, which is totally insane. I usually do wash the car. I always have it looking clean, but lately it's just been getting it dirty over and over and over, so I'm just like, you know what? Why clean it? I don't even know. All right, guys, once again, we are at our third home. Let's pull up in here. This is probably the third time I've been here today, so, you know, it's another one of those days, but we got to get this body kit done, and we are getting so close that I'm just getting so antsy to get it done. I'm going to start hitting up my buddy for paint, and I'll let you guys know what he says. Hello? That was freaking lit. I really want to get in one of these, but there's freaking something in every single one of them. That was lit. That was lit. Okay, we are back at it. I still cannot believe I ran over my camera. Oh my gosh. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff too, but I've never actually ran the thing over, so it's kind of sad. I'm gonna actually hit up my homie Jake right now. He's the one that is going to paint my car. I mean, paint my kit. Yo. I think I'm gonna be ready for paint after this video. We'll do that emoji. That emoji's pretty fire. Alright, boys. Dude, this lens is toast, bro. This gum is actually getting really nasty. I can't spit it out. I can't do that to someone, you know what I'm saying? I just can't do it. Oh, don't hit the lady in the red. Or should I? Oh my gosh, or this dude in the red truck, bruh. Bruh, I'm backing out first, homie G. Yeah, that's right, look at that Subi ass. Hey, my boy hit me back quick, let's go. Yes, sir. Let's get some paint going, boys. Oh, this dude finna race. Yo, the homie Austin and his ST just drove by. We totally had the hand out the window, giving a peace sign. And you know what? It was totally lit. So respect for all builds, because if you're in the car scene and you don't have respect for all builds, then you might as well hop out, because that doesn't sound like a move to me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta respect all the homies. Holy shit. Austin, if you're watching this, your ST's looking clean. It's all white, black wheels, looks dank. It's 64 degrees right now, and I am loving it. It's perfect for my drip. Short sleeves coming soon. I'm working with the company right now. Oh my gosh. Pops for days, boys. Pops for days. All right, my boy Jake said, so this weekend you thinking? Are you guys down? All right, you know what? Go in the comments and let me know if you guys think I should paint the body kit this weekend. I'm feeling like that's a yes, go full send, but I also kind of want some of y'all to like approve. You know, do I have everything? Do I have everything done? Is everything ready to go? For all I know, after oh, what's going on? Garage is being a B word right now. Hold on. I'm looking in my rearview mirror and it just went down. Button. Oh my gosh. It just went up and I pushed the button again, so now it stopped. Okay, now it's going down. Okay, now it's going up. Anyways, what I was saying is everything done that needs to be done? I mean, I have pretty much done everything, correct, family? I'm double checking with you because your guys' word means, you know, just as much as mine, honestly. I was gonna say my thoughts, but I didn't know if that made sense, so I didn't say it. big wing. Don't want it to be capped in the garage. That'd be so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm about to run over stuff. Let's not run over anything else. Oh my gosh. I literally ran over my camera. Oh my, you're gonna hear about that for a week because I cannot believe I ran over my camera. It's kind of impressive though, like, props to your boy for running over the camera. All right guys, let's get to work. Okay, so I'm gonna take my 800 grit sandpaper and I'm just gonna start working on the kit while it's on the car. I actually took off the full kit. So the car is completely bare. Look at this crap, dude. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The kit is fully taken off. This is what it looks like. Totally insane, but it's totally dope at the same time. Now, the reason I took it off is so I could get sanding right into these little cracks and crevices and get it all. And then we will move on to this kind of stuff and start sealing up the rest of these. I'm gonna put a little bit on this front just to prevent it. To be a little bit smarter, I'm going to be using, I'm gonna mask it off. I don't know why I didn't mask off the back. I just figured, oh, it's not gonna be seen. But honestly, I kinda wanna mask it off just so that it looks a lot better and a lot cleaner. But anyways, let's get to work. All right, guys, that is as much as I got through. I'm honestly not down. Look at me, I got sand all over me. I got sand dust all over me. Basically, I have to do it by hand. The kit already comes pretty smooth. I just been sanding it out to get, there's certain areas where you can tell there's a little bit of imperfection, so I just sand those out mainly, but I can only do that because I have to do it by hand and it really sucks. So basically, I changed over to finishing up the sealing process for this, just so after this video, I'm sealed and I'm ready to go. I kind of masked it off a little bit better. As you can see, I have a ripped up Chipotle bag, so that's pretty lit. And then I masked off the top, and then I'll also will grab something and go around the top so then it doesn't go over spray. But let's go ahead and seal this fender up. Okay guys, I got this side finally sealed. We have the back finally sealed. And then we have this side of the car actually sealed as well. Looking at the top coat that I bought was actually an enamel. I didn't really realize that when I bought the spray, but it's gonna do. Other than that guys, we will move on to painting the kit. I cannot wait for that. I'll get back with you guys for an update next video. All right guys, peace.